Here is a quick video to help you put your French count wheel striking movement back into sync if it's not striking correctly. Right, the first thing we have to do is to put the half hour and the hour back into sync. Take it just past the hour so it's struck the half hour, and what you need to now do is take it in one complete smooth sweep. Gently, don't force it, but nice and gently push it round one complete hour. So you can hear it is striking the hours, but the wrong number, so we'll take it past the half hour. And now we'll count how many times it strikes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the friction fitting on the hour hand means you can just gently, again, gentle pressure, don't force it, and take it around to 9, which is just struck. And now the clock is in sequence. 9:30. 10 o'clock. And you continue round, letting each half hour do its thing until you reach the correct time.